This is what you need to know about the laws of indices. There are three basic laws of indices, but then there are others that arise as a result of the first three. So the first one that we can look at is the first law. If you have multiply two numbers with the same base, let's say you have a raised to power n, and you want to multiply that by another number with the same base raised to a different power, then what you'll do, you'll just take the base that is common and then just add the powers. So like in that case, we're going to have a raised to power n plus m. So we can see examples. For example, if you have 5 raised to power 2 and you want to multiply that by 5 raised to power 1. So what you'll do, you just take the common base, which is 5, and then you raise it to a sum of the powers of those two numbers. So that will be 5 raised to power 2 plus 1, which will be 5 raised to power 3, which if you simplify, you'll get to be 125. Then the second law is when you want to divide. Let's say you have one number as a raised to power n, and you want to divide that by another number, a raised to power m. Then what you'll do, you'll just take the common base, that is a, and then raise it to a difference of the powers. So for example, if we have two numbers, let's say we want to take 2 raised to power 4, and we want to divide that by 2 raised to power 2, then what we'll do, we'll take the common base, which is 2, and then raise it to a difference of the two powers. That will be 4 minus 2, and that will give you 2 raised to power 2. Okay, so the third law says that if you have a number a and it is raised to a power n, and then you want to raise that whole combination to another power, then all you'll have to do is just take the base and raise it to a power given by the product of the two powers. So that will be a raised to power mn. Let's take an example. You can have 3 raised to power 2, and then again it's raised to power 3. So that will just be 3 raised to power 2 times 3, which is just 3 raised to power 6. So basically, these are the basic laws of indices. So there are others that stem from these three. So we can look at the others that stem from these. For example, if you have, let's say, you have a number like a, and it is raised to power 0, that is the same as 1. So whether it is 400, whether it is 300, so long as it is raised to power 0, that should be 1. Whether it is just x raised to power 1 over 4 and a root, and all of that is raised to power 0, that will still give you 1. Then there are others that have to do with the radicals. For example, if you have a number a under the square root sign, that is the same as having a raised to power half. So that means you are just obtaining the root of that particular number. And if you have any number a, and you want to get its nth root, that is the same as just taking that number, then raising it to 1 over the root sign there. So if this is 2, then it will be a is equal to 1 is equal to it will be equal to a raised to power 1 over n. If it is 3, then it will be the cube root of that. And then if you have the nth root of a number a, which is raised to another power, then that will be the same as taking that number, raising it to n, not n, but raising it to m over n, m over n. So there are so many other rules that stem from the first three.